What's going on, everybody? We're here once again. 2020 Ford Explorer ST. This will work for all the Explorer STs. We're going to do a rear differential brace from Steeda. I'm going to take you through step by step, show you the tools, all that stuff. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Helps me out with the algorithm. And hopefully you enjoy. Let's get into it. Buy my expensive stuff because it just falls in every time. Vertical links falls in. No, they don't have vertical links. That's a different company that sucks. It just falls in. It's 5 minutes. You'll be done 5 minutes, gang. 5 minutes. I'm Steeda. Buy my stuff. All of it. Buy all of it. Here's the Steeda Hardcore Explorer Diff Support. We're 20 to 23. Part number is 555-8141. Made in America. Here we got a Steeda differential brace, a bracket, comes with the hardware you need. So these are going to replace the factory bolts. Then up here you're going to use a factory bolt just with it out a little bit. So there and there. Then over here we got a big bolt. So there's a little washer, big washer. Slides through. These are going to screw into here. And we got these studs. These pieces go in the subframe. Then you screw in the studs into these with the 5mm hex. And then you use the nuts to hold this thing up. But I'm going to show you all this step by step. I just wanted to give you like an overview of what you should expect it's going to look like. So it goes something like that. Looks like solid, you know, billet CNC stuff. So it'll be pretty top-notch quality. So let's get it installed. Step one, jack up the vehicle. I would take the wheels off just to get more sunlight or shop lights into this general area here, so you can see a little better. So based on this bracket here, we need the bottom 4 to be totally taken out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, taken all the way out. You need that one slightly out to clear this thing here. So it needs to come out a few more threads for it to slip in there, as well as that one right there needs to be semi out like that one. So you take your E18, pop these out, get those out, and then I'll show you what it looks like. These on the side are going to be a massive pain. This, because there's aftermarket exhaust. This one over here might suck. I might have to pull this pipe out because I don't have the range of motion to do anything with the wrench. So I'm going to try to get it this way, but if I can't, like this side, the exhaust is pushed over. But anyways, get these all in, all 4 of these. Those are 25 foot-pounds. Tighten them down. Same thing with this one over here. And you ain't getting a torque wrench on this, so you're just going to have to do it guten tight, which is German for fucking tight. And yeah, so for that one and that one, these ones you can get a torque wrench on. 25 foot-pounds. Do it now! Alright, everything's torqued down. Now we're going to take those little black things, we're going to put them in here, and somehow magically they're not going to move. According to Steeda, they just sit there like they're magnetic or something. And then you can just screw in the stud. Isn't that going to be amazing? We'll see how that works. I'm not, what's the word? I'm not amused by their design. But, hey, what you going to do, right? So, let me stick them in there. You just slide them in and then pull them back over somehow. Maybe using a piece of welding wire or something to just shimmy it to put the threaded hole in the middle. So you put it in all nice and soft, and it goes bloop. Then you have to go, ay, papi, like that. And then you do the same thing over here. And then, ay, ay, ay. And now, you got that like that. But what are the odds that when I put this crap together over here, and then that the little black piece moves, and then I gotta take it all back apart. All right, this is how I prepped all 3 of these guys. I prepped it with 1 thread sticking out. So what I'm gonna do is, once the part's in there, I'm just gonna use this here and thread it all the way till the nut touches, then just torque down the nut. But this way, it's as far as I need it to be inside, and it's not gonna come loose inside. And this is sticking through, so you have full contact on all the threads on the front side. This is a 10mm Allen head. So of course, this stuff doesn't line up. So you're gonna use a little baby flathead. Gonna get that in the correct spot on all 3 of these. I just have this in like a couple threads. I want to get everything threaded, like started threaded, and then I will worry about torquing stuff down. This design is stupid. Like getting these things started, I had to take it apart pretty much twice, and I had to keep fiddling with it with that baby screwdriver, little one like this, till keep lining it up, keep lining it up. Then it has to be super quiet so that you can hear when this thing taps the little insert, and then you have to go stupid slow. And yeah, so anyways, it angered me pretty badly. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna cry myself to sleep, but I don't know. I guess they didn't have a whole lot of options, but there's gotta be other stuff we could have did here. You know what I mean? Like something, anything else. Nut certs, or I don't know if that'd be strong enough, or some kind of expanding type one that it's all 1 bolt and it's a one-time use. You push it in and then it butterflies open. I don't know. Anyways, because every 50,000 miles you got to pull this shit off your truck because you have to oh yeah, okay, you can get to this, but you can't get to the fill plug up there. So that's another shitty thing. But I'm gonna stop complaining now. So I'm gonna tighten this one down till the nut touches, like so. Touches, touches, touches. Tighten these 3 to 45 foot-pounds. All 3 of these. Tighten these bolts here to 60 foot-pounds. Steeda says to recheck the torque after the first 100 miles. So you should probably do that because you don't want this thing vibrating loose and dropping bolts on the freeway. Hopefully this video helped you save a bunch of money. This was a pain in the ass. Well, it wasn't bad except for getting those started without pushing it up and having to tear it all back down so you can get your finger in there to fix it. Other than that, it wasn't horrible, but there's got to be a better way to do that. Steeda's like, oh, just do it. Just. Anyways, I'll put a bitching thing at the beginning of this video. If you get this far, put biatch in the comments below. Till next time, wrench on.